Muscle recovery in 60 seconds. Top 5 eats and drinks. Hello, friends. Welcome to our ThePairaFitness YouTube channel. Feeling sore after a tough workout? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 awesome foods and drinks to help you recover faster and get back to crushing your goals. 1. Chocolate milk classic for a reason. Provides protein and carbs to rebuild muscle and replenish glycogen stores. 2. Tart cherry juice antioxidants and anti-inflammatory powerhouses to reduce muscle soreness. 3. Fatty fish salmon, sardines, tuna, loaded with protein and omega-3s to fight inflammation and support muscle repair. 4. Watermelon hydrates, and is rich in L-citrulline, which can convert to nitric oxide for improved blood flow and potentially faster recovery. 5. Eggs complete protein source with all essential amino acids for muscle building and repair. Bonus, yolks have vitamins and healthy fats. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to our channel and follow us for more workout and recovery hacks. Feel free to let me know your favorite recovery hack in the comments. See you next time.